Hey, how you doing everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's quick training, I'm just going to share with you how to set your sales funnel page, or any one of those pages for that matter, as your home page on your website. So all you really got to do is, and it doesn't really matter if you have optimized press or not, so long as you got WordPress, you can do this with any of those pages. If you go down to settings and then you click on reading, you should have the option right at the top here. So where it says your latest post or a static page. If you click on a static page, you can choose from the home pages or the post pages. So on your home pages, you have the option for this drop down here to select any one of the pages that you have, whether it be from WordPress or it be from Optimized Press. So in this specific example, let's just say if that you want to set your landing page as your home page, then you just click this right here, and then automatically anytime somebody goes to your main site, I'm just going to show you as an example. Just make sure that you click on save changes, and then once you have it saved, you can actually test it out. So I can click on this right here to go to the visit site, and as you can see, it goes right here to this landing page that I just randomly set up earlier. I'm actually doing a split test on that page, so I created an additional video on how to set up a split test on optimized funnels. It's really easy, but you just change the elements on each one of the pages, and you just send traffic, a total number amount of leads, to both of those pages. If you set up an optimized funnels, it's going to change per visitor. So if you just did a simple thing like change the headline on one, and you want to see which one has higher conversion, so you send 100 to it, you have the headline saying something else per every visitor. Well, at the end of say a week or 2 weeks, when you look at the results, whichever page has the highest conversions, you just have optimized press default to that. And I created an entire video about that. So you can do that with your home page. Just set that as your home page, and then just do a split test on that. And then after say a week or 2 weeks, however long you want to run the experiment for, you can just basically have whichever page has the highest conversions, you can select that one as the winner and set that one as your home page. But at any rate, I just want to show you how that whole process is set up. So if you want to select any pages from WordPress or Optimized Press as your home page, you just come down here to settings, click on reading, and up top right here where it says reading settings, your home page displays, you select your latest post or a static page. Now, if you click on your latest post, it's basically just going to be your blog. But I'm just going to leave it as it is and then click on save changes. You also have the option here to choose your post page. So your blog page, your actual blog page, you can choose any one of these pages as well. If you have a certain type of look or an appearance or aesthetic that you want your blog page to look like, you have a specific template that you want to import from somewhere else, and you don't like the default WordPress blog post layout, then you have that option to choose your actual post page from here. You can create one and then it'll pop up in here. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. As I said, I wanted to try to keep it brief. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales, along with artificial intelligence, automation, search engine optimization, objection handling, as well as everything when it comes to business. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take a look at the tools and the resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.